This Sherpa jacket is the last thing that I got in from Amazon. It's really heavy duty. It's definitely gonna keep you warm in the colder months, and it's just really cute and it's very affordable, so I definitely recommend this one.
So I just got this jacket today. I normally wear a large. I sized up to an extra large. It's perfect. I love it. Feels like a blanket. Covers my butt. Just for reference, I'm 158 pounds and I'm 5'6". Need to drop a few pounds, but I love it big. It's very comfortable. You should get yours, and it's a very pretty color. Thank you.
Hey y'all, happy Monday. Wanted to get on and share a couple things that I got in from Amazon. So a little boutique reached out to me from Amazon and sent me a couple items. So 2 of the 3 are here. One of them has not shipped yet. So once that gets here, I'll show it to you too. But I loved this teddy coat, and I will be honest and say initially I wasn't really sure because it came vacuum sealed. So I didn't really know what the quality would be like, but I put it on. It's super cozy, very, very comfortable. It comes in several colors too. And it's $31. So affordable, especially if you're not wanting to splurge on like a teddy coat, something like that you may not wear all the time. I absolutely love this one though. It's long. I got the medium. Really love this and wanted to share it with you guys. Again, 31 bucks. Can't really beat it. I'm going to leave the link here so you guys can check out the other colors.
Here for this jacket. If you guys could feel how soft this jacket is, it is so soft. This is like a suede material here, the brown, and then this is the softest, fuzziest material. It can go down at the sleeves. You can uncuff it or cuff it. I have it cuffed because they're a little long on me, but if you have longer arms, you can also uncuff it as much as you want. It is a little shorter in the back, so it's more like a jacket style. So that's why I paired it with some jeans, but you could also pair it with leggings if you want. So cozy.
This Sherpa has cozy vibes. I am wearing a medium for an oversized look. Has a couple of buttons, doesn't go all the way down. And then these pockets here.